ManuQuest, we believe, is very important to expose all the students to all the things that we do in manufacturing.
It gives employers an opportunity to showcase all the various career opportunities that we offer in our organization.
It shows a vast variety of options of what can be done throughout the industry. You have everything from manufacturing to fabrication. These are all things that is never going to change and is always going to be there.
Manufacturing is a great career choice for individuals because we provide all facets of opportunities. We provide on-the-job training. We can provide a career for someone that's coming out of a trade, and for them to move through an organization from an entry-level position and work themselves up throughout the organization throughout their career.